Hi guys, welcome back to High Tech Institution YouTube video series. This video series dedicatedly for ChatGPT. So we all know we have completed the introduction part on how can we set up an account with ChatGPT, right? So in this video, yeah, you would have seen how can we learn AWS Cloud by our own using ChatGPT. So it could be for a beginner, it can be for intermediate, or it can be for advanced. So I'll tell you how this can be useful for all these level of people. When there is a beginner who trying to learn from ChatGPT in terms of AWS, right? You can directly tell ChatGPT, "Hey, I'm new to AWS. I wanted to learn from scratch. Can you please help me?" So you will get a contact. The intermediator, right? They have a little work experience or they know already AWS concepts. When they wanted to learn the advanced, updated concepts, right? That time ChatGPT will be helpful for them. For the people, those who doing a advanced level, already they are working as a senior cloud engineers in AWS or architects or any consultants. When they want to even more upgrade their career with the programming or automation, serverless, any kind of these kind of platforms, right? They can make use of ChatGPT. Okay, I can show you. This will be really good. Okay, so because the people who works in the advanced level and all, many time when they're working in a project or when they do any POCs or when they're preparing any document or material or PPT for any sessions, they are searching Google and struggling in Google identifying the points. But in ChatGPT, right, you will get easily and everything. So it's straightforward to get all the answers. So I think in the screen only I left from the last video. If anybody missed the creation of account video, anyone missed the introduction first video, right? I mentioned the video link in this description. First watch that. Only that you know what is ChatGPT. Only then you will understand how to set up account with ChatGPT. After completion of this, come to here. Okay, fine. So now, as a beginner, I'm starting. Hey, I'm new to AWS. I would like to learn AWS from you. Can you please help me on this? So ChatGPT is the platform. It can understand what I'm telling. Okay, next time if I ask any question, right, it has some internal mechanism and internal intelligence. It can understand my past and previous question, what I have done in the same chat. It will answer me relevant to it. Every time I don't want to inform, every time I don't want to let my chat GPT say all my questions are belongs to AWS. I don't want to tell that. Once I have asked the question about AWS, right? It has a capability of understand and remember things what I've asked. After that, it can provide me the answers respectively. Okay, I've asked in such a way, hey, I'm new to AWS. I would like to learn AWS from you. Can you help me? See the responses. Sure, I would happy to help you in learning AWS. AWS is a powerful cloud platform with many services features. First, I recommend AWS documentation, great resources. So it's suggesting me to go and have a look on it. And you have to create a free tier account because when you are learning AWS, you should have a free tier account. So it's giving me a link. So what I'm telling from here itself, I'm copying the content. I'm coming down. I'm putting it over here. Hey, can you please give me the steps to create a free tier AWS account? When I ask, see, certainly here is the step to create a free tier account. So it's give me the link, go there and enter your email ID, okay, and enter your personal informations, payment informations, and choose the plan, which plan you wanted to go, verify your identity, read and accept the customer agreement. So everything you can do it, okay, by following the link, everything you can follow. So that way, it's very important and it's giving you very good in terms of uh, making you clear in any particular topic. Okay, just imagine if I followed the link, or when I'm following the link, right, it looks like see in this particular area, choose support plan. Okay, which something like you are not able to understand, you can ask it, hey, in your fifth point, I didn't understand what you mean by choose support plan. Can you explain more about it. Okay, so even if you have a minor spelling mistakes and all, even it can understand it by default. You don't want to correct it, you don't want to be that accurate, but fine. Sure. When you sign up with the AWS platform, I ask you support plans. So basic, developer, business, okay, enterprises, like it gives you more information. So why I'm asking you questions from the response what given by the ChatGPT. The reason is when you follow this, when you follow the steps, when you're unsure about the particular item, we can come and ask to ChatGPT. It will give you more information. Okay. Thank you. I have created my own AWS account. Okay. How many days? It's free. I'm asking, hey, I'm created. Congratulations, you have created an AWS account. Okay, it's free for 12 months, literally 1 year. Okay, each and every services has some limit. See 12-month date of sign up. It's important that free tier comes with certain limits. So we have a question now. Hey, can you tell me what do you mean by free tier comes with limit? Can you please tell me about AWS free account limitations? Okay, we are asking more questions about it. So this way, the beginners, they can get to know all the informations. Okay, these kind of information, right? Of course, you can get it on the Google, but many third-party sites, right? They will be giving you different information. They might have not updated. These all the information are giving you with the latest content mostly. Okay, so fine. So after that, okay, got you. I would like to start to learn about AWS services. Can you please suggest me list of basic services I should start with? See, it will be suggest you. It will suggest you what are the services, right? You should start starting from Amazon EC2, starting Amazon S3, RDS, Lambda, CloudWatch, VPCs, IAM. Okay, these are the services in the first level, right? You need to understand. It's suggesting. So now it suggested me to go with that particular EC2 and other services. Okay, so Amazon EC2. Okay, I'll go as per your flow. Can you take me deep dive into? Okay, I'm asking. Sure, I'm happy to give you a overview about EC2. EC2 services recognized. Okay, it's giving you the all the information, elasticity, scalability. Okay, so like that. So you in between, right? You wanted to class verify. Hey, thanks. What is the equivalent service for EC2 in other cloud providers? Okay, so okay, it will suggest you what is the other similar services which are offered by other cloud providers. So Google, when you take compute engine, Microsoft Azure, right? It is something called Microsoft Virtual Machines, IBM. Okay, it's a cloud virtual service providers, Oracle Cloud, Oracle Compute Cloud Service. So like competitive things also you can compare and learn. Okay, so can you please tell me the subtopics, what and all I should learn under this service? Okay. Okay, here are some top topics. Even you give some misspelled, it won't ask you again. It can understand. Okay, what you're trying to mean. So typos and all can be acceptable. See what are the subtopics. You need to learn about instance type. You need to learn about IMIs, security groups. You need to learn about keypads. You need to learn about elastic IPs, Amazon EBS, load balancing, auto scaling, Amazon CloudWatch. So all those things, right? Under EC2, you have to be familiarized with. So we can start. Can you please give me more info about and 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 how it is being used in the live projects. Okay. Sure, here's the more information. So, like that, right? Whatever the things it's giving you, so you can even use it. Unfortunately, there is no application for ChatGPT, but you can open your Chrome browser. You can open that. So you can, in your free time, when you are in the rest, you are scrolling your mobiles in your social media. Instead, better you can get small information. Okay, so it's giving you a very good information and very detailed information. Okay, we can make use of these things to learn many stuff. Understand? So maybe the people, those who doing next level of learning, they wanted to know, hey, my project uh, my project uh, my project, my manager asked me to do the POC on ECS versus EKS. Okay, can you please help me in that? Okay, you are intermediate guy. You are trying to do some POC. You wanted to get more information. That time, right? You can ask directly about your requirement to ChatGPT. See, it can perfectly. It will compare. It will give it to you. Okay. So the biggest advantage of when you are learning AWS or comparing something, or upgrading your other advanced services, you are using ChatGPT. Imagine you wanted to prepare some document, or you are going to prepare some. Any specific PPT about your topic, you're going to present something, it's giving you a clear cut points. You can simply copy paste, add those points in your document or PPT, you can present it. Maybe I don't know how many of you notice many YouTubers, right? Maybe you can go and check, hey, top 5 secret, top 10 secret, top 8 secret. So all those points, right? They are getting it from ChatGPT only. Okay. So first point, they'll tell. Second point, they'll tell. So maybe even I can create a video. Next video, I can create the next video. So see, so comparison, the top, so how many difference it's given? 6. Top 6 difference between ECS and EKS. So please watch this video till end of this. Like that also I can make one video. I can explain about each and every point one by one. First point, it tells about the architecture. What is ECS and what is EKS? What is control plan? How the management level it differs. Like each and everything. When you go deep dive and learn, right, it'll give you a clear cut idea. Okay. So I want to my team would like to have complete control on my parts containers with this in this case, which one is EKS or ECS. Okay, if you have any small question like that also, if you record a complete control of your product, EKS is the better choice for you. It gives you a final decision. So you don't want to wait for any final decision. So certainly, right, this way also we can learn. So similarly, create, give me the steps to create new AWS EC2 AWS EC2 instance in GUI as well as in CLI. So I'm asking some question. Sure, here are the steps for creating a CLI. First, log into management console, EC2 dashboard, launch the machine. First, they are giving management console way. Second, it's giving you in command line interface how to run. The best thing, right? I can copy the command from here. Okay, if you click on copy code, you can run it. So, you know, before, see, I have a question. Before I go for authenticate, before I go for do running in the CLI command, do I need to authenticate in CLI? In is it necessary? I'm asking it. Yeah, before I go for executing the command, do I need to authenticate in CLI? Of course, you need to authenticate. Authenticate to AWS account CLI, begin the command. So authenticating CLI, right? We need to install it. Configure AWS CLI on your local machine. Okay, I need to provide the access key and secret key. So it's giving me something access key and secret key where I can get this. So everything, right? Whatever you feel like is new to you, we can ask to AWS. It's immediately, sorry, ChatGPT, it's immediately giving you a response for that, right? So like that, I can set up. Give me the difference between AMI and snapshot. Okay, so it's understand since we asked the question related to EC2 only, so it will explain about what is AMI. Okay, and it explain about what is snapshot. Hey, I want to create PPT since I have a presentation this week. Would you please help me in getting the contents? Topic is easy. Okay, so it's giving you, say you're new to your environment, how you don't know how to prepare your document or PPT or whatever, give your requirement to your ChatGPT. It gives you a great data. Okay, see, these are the topics you can go for. Okay, you can. So now again, you can ask overview about AWS system. If you want to put more information, right? Hey, what the content I can add for overview of AWS. Okay, it's giving you what content you're going to add for overview AWS services. Like that, it's giving you the content. Understand? So we can keep ask. We can learn from AWS. That's a great opportunity and platform coming to the ChatGPT. Okay, hey, it's what is the list of certification available for AWS cloud? When you ask, it will be suggesting you what are the multiple certification or foundation level, associate level, professional level, specialty certification level. All those things can help you. So I would like to take what are the other things issued before plan for exam. Okay, we can ask any kind of things, right? We can make use of this ChatGPT in terms of AWS learning perspective, guys. It's a great platform to learn, ChatGPT. When you are preparing any document or PPT, it can help you. When you are trying to explore a new service, come and ask for the ChatGPT. It can support you in that way as well. Okay, so it's one of the finest area and platform, I would say. Okay, so great place in terms of preparing for your certification exam. Okay, it giving you an idea and getting any information. So you are a senior person, you are doing some POCs, you are exploring something. Okay, you can make use of this ChatGPT to get it done, and many stuffs, right? You can get it benefited from ChatGPT. The all thing is how we are going to utilize it and using it. Okay, this way we can go deep dive and we can learn about ChatGPT and the AWS cloud and technologies. Okay, so that's good. Hope you got some, pretty much information about how ChatGPT and what are the different way of questions we can raise, all those things. Yeah, I'll come up with the upcoming video. I'll explain about how can we write a code using ChatGPT. And next video, I'll tell you about DevOps tools, how to, learn DevOps tools from ChatGPT and how to write codings and about to three code, DevOps code, everything. So like so many, videos as I'm planning to make it in this playlist, guys. So I'm strongly recommending go and subscribe this channel. Okay, you will get this kind of useful content and make use of the, share this video, by the way. Okay, share this by the video and like this video. Okay, thank you, everyone. Stay tuned. We'll connect back shortly.